I have taken hundreds of data engineering interviews and I can tell you what freshers makes the most common mistake, and because of this only they are getting rejected in the interviews, and this applies for the experienced people too. So let's start with this video. And who am I to guide you and who am I to tell all of those things? Hi, my name is Anurag Shrivastava. I am a senior data engineer working at a remote company right now, and with 5+ years of experience in data engineering, and have been guiding and mentoring many IT professionals to get and switch into data engineering, be it a fresher, be it a person who is into production support, non-IT role, non-tech role, non-data role. I have helped them. So yes, I can help you too. So let's start with that. As you can see on the screen here, basically that is hundreds of data engineering interviews I have taken, and here is why freshers keep getting rejected. This side of the table, let's talk about what is the biggest mistake that you are doing right now. So the biggest mistake is basically the biggest mistake again and again people are doing in the same pattern that I have seen. That is basically most common, like they are copying the whole resume. I have seen that directly giving to the chat GPT or a Claude and directly saying ki, build this resume, build this keyword and do these things. See, I'll be very honest, Claude, ChatGPT, they are the great tools to help you to make the resume, but don't generate your resume from that, okay? Because it will be difficult for you also to edit something in the future. Maybe it will work for you right now, but maybe if you have to edit something tomorrow, if you have to add something tomorrow, day after tomorrow, after 5 years, after 6 years, after 2 years, after 1 year, after 3 months, after 2 months, you cannot do that. It is not very easy to do that. Take a help of ChatGPT, take the help of those tools, conversational AI or chatbots, to help you to make that resume. Take a same kind of, don't make same kind of projects. Everyone is cloning the same kind of Netflix clone, YouTube clone, all those kind of things they are making. Same, it looks same. If there are 5 same resumes in front of me, I'll be confused as a recruiter whom to give that opportunity. ठीक है, तो anyone who is better than those 5% or different than those 5% done something different, that recruiter will reach out to that person. That is how it happens. So please only don't run behind the buzzwords. Never run behind the buzzwords, because buzzwords is all about key. Basically, if you are not aware about fundamentals and just learning behind ETL, Python, SQL, then big data, Spark, Flink, DBT, Snowflake, GCP, AWS, there are unlimited tools are there in data engineering. You cannot learn all the tools. Fundamentals are the thing that is very important. If you learn about the fundamentals, you can easily learn any kind of tool, because everything is based on those fundamentals only. Okay? So that is very, very important. And zero differentiation you are doing. That is basically nothing that says this person, basically there is no difference between like if 5 people are learning from the same YouTube channel, there will be different kind of thinking between those people. Okay? If you do some thinking and build, you did a clone project, that is fine, but you have to build something. Okay? After that you do something, try to add some 3 features, try to add some 2 features in that will give you a very good idea about the thing, and also you will be getting a very good confidence. One confidence will be coming and you can crack those interviews that will be coming. So that is how you have to do the things. And also I have seen that many people who are doing passive learners versus active proof, if you are having, so people will take Udemy courses and all, do the Coursera courses, do the skill endorsement on the LinkedIn and all, post everywhere that I have done this certificate, this thing, but when you go to the proper interviews, there you fail. Why? Because you are not having the actual proof. You are doing the courses, but you are not building any pipeline. Do the courses. That is a very good way to learn something, to explore something. But yes, build something, build some practical things. If you are learning something and then after that building something, that will be giving you an idea of the particular concept, getting you that confidence, and a proof of concept will be there. You can showcase that to someone. Okay? That will be there. Okay? That will be helping, and also you can post that on your GitHub. It will build your GitHub also. That is how you have to do the things. Real projects you have to make. They like basically people who have I have rejected many people, and I was very like I know both sides of that both sides of the table. I have been as an interviewer, I have given many interviews, I have been giving many interviews, I have taken many interviews. I can say as a person who mentor people, who take interviews as a person, I can say that basically people are not there to reject you, okay? People are there to select you, because if they are spending some time on you, definitely they want ki you should be selected, because otherwise it is a time waste for them also. So that is very, very important. So they know the definition, not the data flow. You are only learning about the definitions, not the data flow. So actually you need to define the ETL, you need to make the ETL. You cannot design anything. You are telling about the project, you are not able to define anything, you are not able to debug anything. If I say that this error is coming, what exactly you will do in the interview? If I'm asking this, they are not able to define the error also, you are not able to rectify the things, you are not able to approach that root cause, okay? So how can you expect the things, okay? So if you want to learn about the real data engineering skill set, I have been teaching people from past 1 year about data engineering, and successfully many people have been placed, many people have been switched, be it a fresher, be it experienced people with 5 years of experience, 4, 5, 6, 7 years of experience. People are there in the bootcamp and people have done it. You can also do it. This is our bootcamp, link is there in the description. Here you learn about the things from very scratch, from Python, SQL, Hadoop, Snowflake, everything. There are proper modules, Spark is there, Pandas is there, Databricks is there, ADF, like your Azure projects are there. We have done end-to-end projects, proper live projects we have done, GCP projects we have done, live production grade projects, best practices, everything we have followed. Interview focused modules are there for your interviews. Definitely all the things, link is there in description, coupon code is there in description. Also we have a WhatsApp support chat number. Directly you can go and ask your questions there about any kind of doubts you have about the bootcamp. Directly you can add any kind of doubts you have, generic doubts, directly add in the ask in the comments also, okay? So that is very, very important. So tool names, you are just learning about tools like Kafka, AWS, Spark, Airflow. I am becoming cool. No. That is not in the interviews. When you will go, no, they will be not asking you how many tools you have worked with. They will be asking you the real problems. You have to solve that real problems. If you have, you can solve those things, and you have never tuned, like suppose you have worked with Spark, but you have never tuned those shuffle. As a fresher, I will not expect this, but this is for the people. As experienced people might be also seeing this video. These are for these people. Like many people I have seen who are AWS certified but never architected any cost efficient S3 plus glue pipeline. So what kind of certification can rectify those things? Any kind of certification you will bring to the bring to your interviews, they will be definitely try to what we say, test your knowledge. Definitely that will be done. You cannot expect you are having that certification, you are selected. That is not how things happen. So you should be learning about things. That is how the like real interviews will happen, and how you will be tested in interviews. So you should be aware about those things. Next thing, what actually impresses the interviewers. Whenever, if you want to get hired, what all things you have to follow? System design thinking, like think about the system, okay? What will happen if I'll build this, how to scale up the thing, these kind of thing. Like think about things, real projects. Communication clarity should be there. You are able to explain whatever question he is asking. You are able to understand the question first, then able to apply and able to answer the approach. If you don't know the exact answer or exact terms, you are able to tell the approach. That is also very, very important. That is how the real things happen. Next thing is basically your candidate. There are two candidates, suppose candidate A and candidate B. Candidate A gets rejected because he is having 6 certificates, Udemy certificates. There is no GitHub activity. There he has copied all the project, generic resumes he has created, all those things he has done. And there is candidate B who has like built, he has done a course. After that he built some 2 projects, good deployed 2 projects. He is able to rectify those things, and active GitHub activities there, custom ETL pipeline he has built. He is able to tell about the trade-offs, about the advantages, disadvantages, pros, cons of the things, and able to answer those things. So that is how the candidate B will be selected only, okay? So that is why you have to become candidate B, and it is very important to become that person. And your GitHub is very important, and you are not, if you are not maintaining your GitHub, you are not posting about the things on the LinkedIn, you are not making the things in the public, how exactly you can expect yes, I will become a data engineer, or I will get the opportunities after learning the things. After learning also you will not get opportunities, because you are not available in the public, you are not posting about the learnings. It is very important to be visible. When you will be visible, you will be able to, if you don't have very perfect skill skill set, then also you will be getting many opportunities. Okay, that is how things happen. So whenever you want to apply to any kind of company, this is what the companies want. First thing is problem solving. Very, very, very important. Problem solving mindset is very, very important. Next thing is basically a real pipeline experience you have to build. You need to know about how to build a pipeline. Very important. Debugging. You need to know about debugging. What exactly, how to do the ownership, how to do the things. Very, very important. Next thing is your system design. Any kind of problem is coming, so you have to scale the system. How to scale those things. So that is how you have to build the things. Communication is very, very important. So all those kind of skill sets, all those kind of things we have already covered in our bootcamp, our DataX. If you want to learn from this bootcamp, definitely go forward and enroll into this. And we have the coupon code, you get extra discount also, and it is very affordable, to be very honest. But yes, if you don't want, definitely you can explore more. You can get into any kind of bootcamps, any kind of things. But yes, structured courses will help you to build the things, and practical bootcamps will help you to build the real skill sets. Okay, that is how the things happen. So this was all about the things, and this was all about the problems and things, and that you have to do basically as a fresher, how what to improve, as experience what to improve. I have given you all the trade-offs, all the problems, what exactly you don't need to do, what mistakes you are doing. Please try to correct those mistakes, then only it will be helping you to get more opportunities and better opportunities, better package. So this was all about the video, and thank you so much for watching this. Any kind of doubts, any kind of things are there, please ask in the comments. Other than that, if you want to get into the bootcamp, any doubts you have about the bootcamp, we have our WhatsApp chat support number and the coupon code. Directly use that chat support number, go and ask, and if you want to enroll, directly enroll. Thank you so much. Bye bye.